Welcome to my famous, well-known, innovative and unique educational channel to watch more creative videos on machine learning using Python. In my previous video, we have seen different object classification. Today's video is advancement of previous video, latest video of image classification. We have seen using Resnet. So let us go through the brief idea about today's video. Let us go through the presentation first. Python image recognition using Resnet machine learning. Artificial intelligence and machine learning have revolutionized the field of computing. It has led to the development of data-driven models. A data-driven model learns from past and historical data and then recognizes pattern in the data. The model gains knowledge that is used to predict future outcomes. A machine learning model can learn from data quickly and improve its prediction accuracy over time. In this tutorial, we will learn how to build the deep learning model with Resnet50. Convolutional neural network, which is very important in deep learning. Resnet50 is a pre-trained convolutional neural network for image classification and computer vision. We have seen in my long back ago video also, we have seen Resnet for image classification. That's why it is told here computer vision. Keras, which is very important, it is a part of Google. To build a deep learning model, we will require the TensorFlow and Keras. We will run TensorFlow in the backend. Will build the flowers classification model. We will then import Keras from TensorFlow and use it to initialize our deep learning model. We will also import the Resnet network from Keras API. So let us go through the program. These are the required modules needed for the program. Then Keras, we have seen Flask, create Flask app, model and this thing, and prediction based on the image. These are about the prediction part. Now I will execute the program and we will different birds classification and different part image classification. Python 3 app.py. Yes. Yes. Now I will take the image of parrot. Yes, upload image. Prediction. Toucan, it is a part of the bird which eats fruits and vegetables, means we can say vegetables. Now I will upload another image, fresh vegetables, sorry. Now I will import crow, what it predicts. Let's begin. Result coconut means a cuckoo bird which has long tail. Now I will upload another image, tiger. Let us see whether it classify or not. Yes, it is classified. So I successfully done with image classification using Resnet. So you will understand, I hope you understood what is the purpose of Resnet and Keras. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on Resnet and different classification model, Keras and this thing. Thanks for watching.